Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. If them disrespect and check, say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me, man, drop it in them. Eddie, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Game here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we are with Deva Bratt. Yeah, man, Deva Bratt again with Doorbell. Yeah, man, Doorbell, Vybz Kartel, this. It's a crash out. A crash out? All right, I'm going to jump in the one and see what going on, man. Oh, yes. One link I go there in the description, in the comment section, other video, down below. The last man will click on it and go over there, go subscribe about it, man. Yes, I said it. Let's jump in the one and see what going on. Let's go.
Left, right, left. Me I shoot them left, right, left, right. Make a bad step, make a bad step, right. Make a mad step, make a bad step, right. Step, crucial step, configure step. Pump rifle with inch attack. Make bad step, right, step, right. Now take disrespect, yo. Yeah, check, yo, no, yo. Let's get it poppin' in it, bitch. Yo. Call the fire brigade, I'm on fire, about to kill some vampires like Blade. These motherfuckers.
Hold on, man. I'm going to give you one different flow upon the man. Hold on, man.
Step right. Now take disrespect, yo. Yeah, check, yo, no, yo. Let's get it poppin' in, bitch.
All right.
Yo. Call the fire brigade, I'm on fire, about to kill some vampires like Blade. These motherfuckers want me to retire, I'm like, nah, you stole the port, my empire, then you gave me the shade. Blade.
Hold on, man, that one a direct, that one a more direct. Man says, you stole the Portmore Empire.
Left, me
Kartel.
Left, right. Make a bad step, make a bad step, right. Make a mad step, make a bad step, right. Step.
𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿, wake up again.
Configure step.
All right. Ready.
Make bad step, right. Now take disrespect.
Stop to the channel. A music will serve by yourself. We don't pick side. Ready?
Yo. Call the fire brigade, I'm on fire, about to kill some vampires like Blade. These motherfuckers want me to
call the fire brigade, I'm on fire, I'm about to kill some vampire like Blade. If you don't know about that show there, if you don't know about Blade, big up Wesley Snipes. If you don't know about Blade, I don't know where it matters.
Call the fire brigade, I'm on fire, about to kill some vampires like Blade. These motherfuckers want me to retire, I'm like, nah, you stole the port, my empire, then you gave me the shade. Played me a fool, blood stick like gravy when in school. Hot when I school your lady in the pool. I seen your body retire, I'm like, nah, you stole the port, my empire, then you gave me the shade. Played me a fool, blood stick like gravy when in school. Hot when I school your lady in the pool. I seen your bought a house real near me. I pull up at the house and appear and she gets scary, boy.
Man, I see by a house near me, pull up at the house and what?
Pool, I seen you bought a house real near me. I pull up at the house and appear and she gets scary, boy.
I pull up at the house as a parent, she gets scary. She gets scared.
Pool, I seen you bought a house real near me. I pull up at the house and appear and she gets scary, boy. And if it's killing, I'm willing. I catch him lacking and chilling. I'm about to make me a villain.
And if it's killing, I'm willing. I catch him lacking and chilling. Make me a villain. What?
And if it's killing, I'm willing. I catch him lacking and chilling. I'm about to make me a villain. Trigger finger itching, got the extra clipping. I'm finna get the kitchen bitch, and it's not for the chicken.
I'm about to get the kitchen bitch, and it's not for the chicken.
Left, me
and a butcher.
Right.
What's my nigga get chop up? All right.
Make a bad step.
All right.
Make a mad step.
All right.
Make a bad step.
All right.
Step.
Yeah.
Crucial step.
Yeah.
Configure step. Pump rifle with inch attack. Make bad step. Step right. Now take disrespect, yo. Yeah, check, yo.
Last man to subscribe to my next channel about him and link it out by you. Ready?
Yo. Call the fire brigade, I'm on fire, about to kill
some vampire like Blade.
These motherfuckers want me to retire, I'm like, nah, you stole the port, my empire, then
and
you
gave me the shade.
Played me a fool, blood stick like gravy when in school. Hot when I school your lady in the pool. I seen you bought a house real near me. I pull up at the house and appear and she gets scary, boy. And if it's killing, I'm willing. I catch him lacking and chilling, I'm about to make me a villain.
Whoa.
Trigger finger itching, got the extra clipping, I'm finna get the kitchen bitch, and it's not for the chicken.
No.
I hear voices that sound like children in the living room watching a movie. Think it's the killing. See them staring at the moon like she's tired of living. With this dude, doorbell ring, pizza delivery. I'm stealthy, guess who?
Blood clot. Man say him go on a mission and do him for do and your kids in the living room and watch movie. Yo,
Moon like she's tired of living with this dude. Doorbell ring, pizza delivery. I'm stealthy, guess who opened the door of the pantry? No nothing with him, hungry belly self a look candy. I'm stealthy, guess who? Moon like she's tired of living with this dude. Doorbell ring, pizza delivery. I'm stealthy.
Alright, doorbell ring, pizza delivery. But I'm a pizza in the box saying.
Giving at the moon like she's tired of living with this dude. Doorbell ring, pizza delivery. I'm stealthy, guess who opened the door of the pantry? No nothing with him, hungry belly self a look candy.
Guess who answered the door? Guess who answered the door? For the pantry. What I'm saying? No nothing with the hungry belly. Oh, nothing with the hungry. Wait, the what?
I'm stealthy, guess who opened the door of the pantry? No nothing with him, hungry belly self a look candy.
Oh, nothing. You look candy. You're the hungry belly self. I don't mean so. Never bad say so. I know me.
I'm stealthy, guess who opened the door of the pantry? No nothing with him, hungry belly self a
Look
look
candy.
candy. Me conky knock him out with a bottle of brandy. Took a picture, then send it to Gandhi. Then
At least he never kill nothing. So him conk him, knock him out with a buckle of shandy. Then him take a picture and send to Gandhi. Big up yourself, Gandhi.
candy. Me conky knock him out with a bottle of brandy. Took a picture, then send it to Gandhi. Then face recognition, unlock the phone and dial the zombie. I said, I'm big hungry, you better sing a song if you don't want no.
Face recognition. So him must say, oh, him use, what I know?
Knock him out with a bottle of brandy. Took a picture, then send it to Gandhi. Then face recognition, unlock the phone and dial the zombie. I said,
Okay, so him use nothing phone, face recognition, open the phone, and then him dial Sean Star. Him call Sean Star, man. Him call Zombie, Sean Star, man. Say, yo.
took a picture, then send it to Gandhi. Then face recognition, unlock the phone and dial the zombie. I said, I'm big hungry, you better sing a song if you don't want no. We're crying and candy like candy. Go for your page, go talk the truth. But we go, don't talk me.
Once I go, if you don't want bright light, come pick up them body. Yeah. If you don't want more dead body, you better go for your page, go talk the truth. And don't tag me when you talk the truth. Too. Just do the right thing. If you don't want, hey, go sing a sanky boy. That's what.
Cognition, unlock the phone and dial the zombie. I said, I'm big hungry, you better sing a song if you don't want no. We're crying and candy like candy. Go for your page, go talk the truth. But we go, don't talk me. Topic happy, no auntie. If the brother was the godfather in the movie, you would have died like Frankie. And frankly, you look dumb like a donkey. Though you want your bossy happy like Nelly and Ashanti. Go
You look dumb like a donkey, boy. You want your boss to be happy like Nelly and Ashanti. That's a couple. Nelly and Ashanti is a couple. We all know. But you must say, yo.
happy, no auntie. If the brother was the godfather in the movie, you would have died like Frankie. And frankly, you look dumb like a donkey. Though you want your bossy happy like Nelly and Ashanti. Go tell the world, and stop the racist, you rank me. And stop shadow ban me, blackball and brand me.
Yeah, man. He must say, yo, stop shut. So him say, go and go tell the world the truth and stop shut up. Shadow ban me, blackball me. Hey boy, stop tarnish my name. That's how I must say.
Go tell the world, and stop the racist, you rank me. And stop shadow ban me, blackball and brand me.
Yeah, man. He must say, yo, go and go tell the world, you're top lyricist, you brand me. You're done, say me a top lyricist already. So stop shadow ban me. Ease off of my name, jump off, leg on my t-shirt. That's how the GSA writers are, not me.
Go tell the world, and stop the racist, you rank me. And stop shadow ban me, blackball and brand me. Go make the post quick and spunky. Before me put the crap up on the step, I rise the pumpy and cranky. Shabamba clad, the doorbell ring again. Another delivery again. When will it end?
So in the house, I try get the job done, but the door no stop interrupt. The doorbell, I interrupt. All right, then what go now? Who that door?
Ben 10, order the Viagra them again. Another delivery again. When will it end? A Ben 10, order the Viagra them again. I in me sell the whole of them when me and my friend 10.
See, Ben 10. So, who know who Ben 10 is? Know who Ben 10 is. I don't know who Ben 10 is, but he must say, yo, Ben 10 forward, I sell Viagra. He must say the teacher need Viagra. That's how the GSA writes, so not me. So him say one time him and Ben 10 and a friend, him sell Ben 10 the whole of the Viagra them.
A Ben 10, order the Viagra them again. I in me sell the whole of them when me and my friend 10. You know.
Hold on. Him say a Ben 10. Hold on. Him say a Ben 10 order the Viagra them. So who name Ben 10? I can't tell him I call Ben 10.
Ben 10, order the Viagra them again. I in me sell the whole of them when me and my friend 10. You know remember Chrissy and Tyson from 10. She tall, pretty and skinny, the little gem. All big 10, say you need ink for your pen. It a stream, it a tape, or your sour grape them. I'm out.
My God. So name call. Name call.
Remember Christian Tyson from Penn?
Christian Tyson from Penn.
She tall. Sell the whole of them when me and him a friend. Then you know remember Christian Tyson from Penn? She tall.
Oh, you remember Christian Tyson from then? She tall.
Pretty and skinny, the little gem. All Big Ten, say you need ink for your pen. It a stream, it a tape, or you sour grape them. I'm out.
Man say you grape them. You sour grape them. You grape them. Him say you grape them. Teacher, him say you grape.
Need ink for your pen. It a stream, it a tape, or you sour grape them. I'm out. Him a been a digger and ham it out. Sing a bag of song a prison, cause him gyal a man a bang it out.
I'm out. Kartel slang and say I'm out.
Him have been a digger and ham it out. Sing
I'm out. Him have in a the girl and yam it out. Him say him sing a bag of song from prison because him girl and next man a bang it out.
a bag of song a prison, cause him gyal a man a bang them. I'm out. Him have been a digger and ham it out. Sing a bag of song a prison, cause him gyal a man a bang it out. Come out, this man then Christian it out. If you're the one that stress somebody, no shit, plan it out. Let me show you the course clear, me done scan it out. Take over them surveillance system, not out. Must make it a smart house, light a cut out. Nothing me nah fire still, life a go out. Let me get this shit over with. Time a run out. Kick the room door, Missy Shana with the slime and the mouth. Take a picture, send go get to foot a primer come out. New
Man say take a picture and send go give footer. You know say once it reach my footer, there's in a footer half our life. Go talk about it in a bigger footer. Man say footer half our life a prime time, yes.
nothing me nah fire still, life a go out. Let me get this shit over with. Time a run out. Kick the room door, Missy Shana with the slime and the mouth. Take a picture, send go get to foot a primer come out. News with a caption we said them fine at the out. A commission me have to do the mission and no cloud. Let me fans them happy fuck up all who know where you doubt. To no shape for you follow the goat. I got my doubt. When me post a picture with the pump rifle in a way and I knows.
The whole I know we have follow the goat. I got mad out when me post the picture with the pump rifle. What do you think with the under him nose in my mouth him attack?
I follow the goat, I got my doubt. When me post a picture with the pump rifle in a way and I knows. Chano, Gaza fans go buy clothes. Buy a read, get brows, get your ear done, pedicure, towels.
Man say prepare. Uno prepare, uno titivate up. Remember say the last man we're gonna link go subscribe to the channel of Batman. Yes. Him say uno prepare. Uno get to uno clothes, uno read, uno shoes. Ladies they wanna go on a hairdresser shop, go do uno ear, go do uno nails. Man them gonna get a line up because uno have a funeral figure. Yeah.
Chano, Gaza fans go buy clothes. Buy a read, get brows, get your ear done, pedicure, towels. He chose to make the gate close. Me never jump out on the bush like boogeyman and tear nobody blows. Bungle like y'all me say, I got house. Fine.
So you must say, yo, this rape allegation where you put for me. Me never jump out on a bush with no bagger, but with no boogeyman style and tear nobody clothes.
If I jump out on the bush like boogeyman and tear nobody blows. Bungle like y'all me say, I got house, fans, friends, and hence he my number one foe. And everybody motherfucking know the comes from the pro. Gun off is pro, couldn't ever you a troll. I bet you this you never realize. Every day you talk about rape, every rape victim getting traumatized. I would advise you do otherwise. My born July 23rd, Mussolini, good to conquer Selassie.
Man say every day you get about talk about Gaza and rape. So it must say, yo, all of your rape victim them must traumatize to the way oh you have enough, to the way oh you are gone. And it must say, yo, when he said about the 3rd of July, so it must say Muslim couldn't conquer Selassie. I
would advise you do otherwise. My born July 23rd, Mussolini, good to conquer Selassie. What them a do? What them a try? This conflict and them a fish, and today them a fry. Spit in the sky, motherfucker, it gon' fall in your high. Hey, motherfucker, hey, me no wanna reply. No want to no tell me ya why. Uno de under me comment them a chat and a spy. Cornwall to niggle sex me never paid in no file. Me crack skull like egg and make bread in a pile. Them brand.
Man say me know what the fuck going on in my comment section and chat and a go on which one fuck you in a brother like.
Cornwall to niggle sex me never paid in no file. Me crack skull like egg and make bread in a pile. Them brand Lexus and Vegas me no taking no style. Black ball them with the culture egotistical style.
Them brand Lexus and Vegas. Right now, that him now make on the brand him and it goes so. That's what I say.
Brand Lexus and Vegas, me no taking no style. Black ball them with the culture egotistical style. Me no fool like black, but you know me wicked and wild. Case close with the casket for with them do me no smile.
Hi. Yo, wake up. What did wake him up for? What did wake him up for? He wake up again. Yes, he wake up. He wake up. What wanna say about that one, though? What wanna say about that one, yeah? Deva Bratt is upset at the fact that the teacher keep on tarnishing him name before him forward out and clear him name. He must say, yo, I'm a raper. So, yo, he must say he needs to forward out and talk the true teacher. That's what the GS basically right there. So, like, stop the fabricating, stop tarnishing my name, stop all them things there, see me? So, yeah. Jeez. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, though. And I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Remember, the last person, we're going to click on the link and subscribe to the next channel about it, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. If them disrespect and check, say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me, man, drop it in them. Eddie, no man.